we're doing a lot of the spray foam insulation. We're getting more and more people. Almost every job now we sell the spray foam, which has been really nice. Kind of emphasize on the point. I tell people, by the way, we've had a lot of cellars that we're noticing getting wet because the vapor barrier has not been put in properly, and just an inferior insulation and vapor barrier, and people are getting wet insulation and wet drywall, and they're having to tear their cellars out and start all over. I just tell them I don't say anything. I go, just have your insulation guys use the spray foam insulation, and if they don't do it, we do. Well, how much did you guys do it? And then I just tell them the amount to do it, and they usually just say, well, just go ahead and do it, because they want us to do it because they know it's going to get done right. We'll let them know, hey, you're making a 55-degree environment. You're opening up a door for microbial growth big time. And if you don't have the right company build your cellar, you could be down the road with major problems. Crap, man, we better let Arctic do it, or it's going to be Mold City in a few years.